So starting an LLC sounds simple enough. Choose a name, fill out a form, pay the state, and you're done. But once you actually begin, the process can become confusing pretty quickly. Every state has its own filing rules, fees, processing times, and ongoing requirements. You may also need an operating agreement, an EIN, business license, registered agent, and a plan to stay compliant after your LLC is approved. You could research and handle everything yourself, you could hire an attorney, or you could use an online formation service like LegalZoom to guide you through the processes. So LegalZoom is one of the biggest names in the space, but it is not always the cheapest option. So the higher price is worth paying? Let's review. So in this clip, we'll explain how LegalZoom works, compare its basic, pro, and premium packages, look at the main advantages and drawbacks, and cover the cost you should pay attention to before filing. We also have placed two useful resources in the description. The first takes you to our complete LegalZoom review, where you can find more detailed breakdown of the service. And the second takes you to our LegalZoom coupon page, where we track a wide range of promos, codes, discounts, and current offers. Now let's take a closer look at LegalZoom. So LegalZoom is an online legal service platform that helps individuals and business owners handle common legal and administrative tasks. And for entrepreneurs, one of the most popular services is the LLC formation. So LegalZoom can prepare your articles of organization, check whether you preferred business names, if available, and submit your formation documents to the appropriate state agency. And the company also offers services beyond LLC formation, and these include registered agent services, operating agreements, EIN applications, business licenses, compliance filings, trademarks, legal documents, templates, and access to independent attorneys. So LegalZoom also provides personal legal services, including wills, trusts, and estate planning. The broader range of services is one reason LegalZoom stands out from formation companies that focuses almost entirely on filing LLC paperwork. Is it worth making one distinction though? LegalZoom itself is not a law firm. The platform provides guided tools and administrative services, while attorney consultations are handled through independent attorneys in its network. For a straightforward LLC formation, that structure may provide more support than filing alone without requiring you to hire a traditional law firm. The formation process begins with a short online questionnaire. You select the state where you want to form your LLC, provide basic information about your company. This normally includes your preferred business name, contact information, business activity, owner details, and management structure. LegalZoom checks whether the name appears to be available and tasks which additional service you want to include. You then choose a formation package, review any additional add-ons, and submit your order. And LegalZoom checks the formation documents, sends them to the relevant state agency, and once the state approves the filing, your formation documents becomes available through your LegalZoom account. And the process itself is designed to be beginner-friendly. You do not need to understand every legal term before getting started, because LegalZoom explains the questions as you move through the application. However, LegalZoom cannot control how quickly the state approves your LLC. So its own preparation time and the state's processing time are two different things. And some states approve online filings quickly, others may take several business days or longer, particularly business periods. Expedited processing may be available, but the price and actual approval time can depend on the state. So LegalZoom currently offers three main LLC formation packages: basic, pro, and premium. Now, before comparing them, there is one important cost to understand. Registered agent service is not included with any of LegalZoom's three formation packages. So if you want LegalZoom to serve as your registered agent, you need to purchase the service separately, currently at $249 per year. The prices and included services may change, so check your update of LegalZoom review before making a final decision. So here's how the packages compare at the time of this recording. So basic packages start at $0 plus state filing fees. This does not mean your LLC is completely free. Every state charges its own filing fee, and you will need to pay that amount whether you use LegalZoom or submit the document yourself. Now, the basic package includes preparation and filing of your articles of organization, business name availability check, and a tax consultation through 1-800-ACCOUNTANT. It gives you the core service needed to submit an LLC formation. The basic plan is best suited for someone who wants LegalZoom to handle the state filing but is comfortable managing the other parts of the setup separately. An operating agreement is not included. EIN assistance is not included. Registered agent service is also separate. And that makes basic an appealing starting point, but the final cost can rise once you begin adding the additional services to your business needs. The Pro Plan package is currently listed at $249 plus state fees, and it includes everything in the basic along with operating agreement, EIN filing assistance, and a bank authorization letter. You also receive a 1 year of access to more than 150 customizable legal documents, unlimited electronic signatures. LegalZoom includes a customizable website powered by Wix as well. The most important difference, however, is the attorney support. Pro Plan includes 30 days of unlimited 30-minute consultations with independent business attorneys, which each consultation covers a new legal topic. And this can be helpful if you have questions about your business structure, contracts, ownership arrangements, or early compliance obligations. There is an important renewal to know about. After the included 30-day period, the business attorney plan automatically renews for another $49 per month unless you cancel it. Pro Plan will probably be the most attractive package for the business owners who want more than a basic filing and expect to use the operating agreement, the EIN assistance, the legal forms, and the attorney consultations. But not everyone will need every included service. For example, you can apply for an EIN directly through the IRS at no cost. LegalZoom's EIN service is mainly used for business owners who prefer to have the application handled for them. The premium package is currently listed at $299 plus state fees, and it includes the formation and legal features from the Pro package. And the additional value comes mainly from the bookkeeping and cash flow management tools. Premium includes 6 months of LegalZoom's bookkeeping service, along with income and expense tracking, automatic transaction categorization, mileage tracking, and customizable invoices and proposals. After the 6-month included period, the bookkeeping services automatically renews at $99.99 monthly unless it's canceled. One point that is easy to misunderstand is that the premium does not primarily add more attorney access than Pro. Both paid formation packages include an initial 30-day business attorney plan. Premium is mainly designed for someone who wants the financial management tools in addition to the formation and legal features. Because the pricing difference between Pro and Premium is relatively small, Premium may offer good value for someone who plans to use the bookkeeping tools. But if you already have an accountant software or an accountant, Pro may be the better fit. And for a completely side-by-side comparison, open the first link in the description to read our full LegalZoom review. And before choosing a package, you also use the second link to check out our latest LegalZoom promo codes and available deals. As I mentioned earlier, registered agent services is not included with any LegalZoom's LLC formation packages. If you want LegalZoom to serve as your registered agent, you'll need to purchase that service separately. So LegalZoom currently charges $249 per year for its registered agent service. So a registered agent receives official government correspondence and legal documents on behalf of your company. Your LLC generally needs to designate one, but you may be able to serve as your own registered agent if you meet the state's requirements. So using a professional service can provide more privacy and make it easier to avoid missing important notices. But LegalZoom's registered agent service is priced towards the higher end of the market, so it's worth comparing alternatives. Registered agent services is not the only additional cost to consider. The basic plan may start at $0, but your state filing fee is always separate. Depending on your business, you may also need licenses, an operating agreement, compliance filings, or other services. You should also look carefully at the subscriptions included in the paid formation package. The 30-day attorney plan and the 6-month bookkeeping service can be useful, but both may renew automatically. But before we compare your order, review every selected service and note its renewal date. You should also remember that an EIN is available directly from the IRS at no charge. Many businesses need one for banking, hiring employees, or tax purposes. But LegalZoom is charging for assistance with the application, not for the EIN itself. Finally, do not confuse LegalZoom's process with state approval. So LegalZoom can prepare and send your documents, but your state controls the final timeline. Paying for faster handling may help your application reach the state sooner, but it cannot guarantee that every state will approve the LLC immediately. The key factor that many people overlook is that the total first year cost. Do not compare services using only the headline formation price. Add the state fee, registered agent cost, optional documents, subscriptions, and additional expedited processes before deciding which provider offers the best value. Now, LegalZoom's biggest strength is its overall range of service available in one place. Now, a basic formation provider may help your LLC and leave you to arrange everything else. LegalZoom can continue supporting the business with legal documents, attorneys, consultations, trademarks, and compliance services, licenses, and registered agent coverage. Now that makes it a good fit for someone who wants a single platform rather than several separated providers. LegalZoom's history is another advantage. The company has been operating for more than 25 years and has handled millions of business formations. So for owners who prefer working with an established brand, that experience can provide additional confidence. The attorney access is probably its clearest advantage over lower cost formation services. A freelancer with a very simple business may never need it, but a company dealing with contracts, employees, intellectual property, leasing, multiple owners may find the option much more valuable. LegalZoom also has a refund policy covering certain purchases within 60 days. Now, however, the conditions matter. Formation products, a refund may no longer be available after the document has been submitted to the government agency. And the first drawback is the cost. LegalZoom's paid packages are more expensive than many competitors that focus mainly on LLC formation. And that higher price can make sense when you use the attorney consultation, legal documents, the library, or the business tools. But if you only need someone to file the articles of organization, you may be paying for features that do not add much value to your situation. The second issue is the number of add-ons. LegalZoom provides plenty of choices, but those choices can make checkouts feel busy. Registered agent services, compliance filings, business licenses, expedited processing, and other extras can push the total well beyond the package price. The automatic renewal also requires attention. An included trial or subscription can become a recurring expense if you forget to cancel it. And another limitation is the basic is fairly minimal. It handles formation filing, but it does not include an operating agreement, EIN assistance, or registered agent coverage. And someone attracted by the $0 headline may discover that the package they actually want costs considerably more. LegalZoom may be also unnecessary for people who are comfortable handling the process themselves. So most states allow you to file an LLC directly through the official government website, and doing it yourself usually means paying only the state fees and other required government costs. The trade-off is that you are responsible for researching the requirements, completing the documents, and monitoring the future deadlines. LegalZoom is not the only company that can help you form an LLC. Zen Business is generally positioned as a beginner-friendly option with a strong focus on formation and ongoing compliance. It may be more appealing for someone who wants a streamlined experience without placing as much emphasis on attorney services. A Northwest registered agent may be a better choice if privacy, registered agent coverage, and transparent pricing are your main priorities. Its formation service currently costs $39 plus state fees and includes first year of registered agent service. And after the first year, the service renews at $125 per year, which is considerably lower than LegalZoom's current registered agent price. Now, Biz offers strong first-year value for owners focused on keeping the cost low. Its basic formation package starts at $0 plus state fees and includes registered agent service at no additional cost for the first year. So the service currently renews at $149 per year, which also remains below LegalZoom's registered agent rate. For a straightforward formation and affordable registered agent coverage, Northwest and Busy provide a better value. And LegalZoom's main advantage over these providers is that a broader legal ecosystem. The right choice depends on what you actually need. LegalZoom is best suited for first-time business owners who want clear guidance and prefer working with a recognizable and established company. Also a good fit for entrepreneurs who expect to need legal documents or occasional attorney support as the business grows. Pro is likely the most practical package for people who want an operating agreement, an EIN assistance, legal formation, and access to attorney consultations. And Premium makes more sense for someone who also wants bookkeeping and cash flow tools. The basic package is suitable for a person who only wants help filing the LLC and plans to handle the remaining steps independently. LegalZoom may not be ideal if your only priority is finding the cheapest formation service. It also may be unnecessary if you understand your state's filing processes and are comfortable completing the documents yourself. And although LegalZoom can connect users with independent attorneys, businesses facing complex ownership, tax, and legal issues may still need dedicated professional advice. So, is LegalZoom worth it in 2026? And for the right business owners, yes. LegalZoom provides a polished, guided formation process and offers much broader range of legal services than many LLC filing companies. Its attorney access, legal document library, and long-established brand make it particularly attractive to entrepreneurs who want support beyond the initial filing. However, that convenience comes at a higher price. Basic is affordable but limited. Pro Plan offers the strongest overall balance for many new business owners, and the premium package is worthwhile mainly when bookkeeping tools are useful to you. So before filing, calculate the full cost rather than only on the advertised package price. Include your state filing fee, any registered agent services, additional add-ons, and subscriptions that may renew later. So LegalZoom is a strong option for convenience and legal support. It is not actually the best choice for someone who only needs the cheapest way to register an LLC. Before making your decision, take a look at the 2 links in the description. The first link takes you to our complete LegalZoom review at Bizreport, and there you can compare basic, pro, and premium package in more detail, review the current prices, and see how LegalZoom compares with the other formation LLC services. And the second link takes you to our dedicated LegalZoom coupon page. We regularly track a wide range of LegalZoom promo codes, discounts, and current offers, so checking the page before filing may help you find a better deal. Available promotions can change, and some offers only apply to specific services or packages. So review the details before completing the purchase. Both links are available in the description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand LegalZoom, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which business service you would like us to review next. And we'll see you in the next video.